Critical thinking is not natural to us, it is a learned skill. Our workshop on critical thinking will equip you with the concepts and skills required to be adept at solving problems and avoiding errors in decision making. In the workshop, you'll learn about how people reason and the correct way of reasoning. An understanding of logical reasoning will help you make correct inferences and avoid poor judgments arising out of bad reasoning. The critical thinking framework will help you in evaluating problems in a structured manner. The steps in this framework are: Step 1. What is the purpose of your thinking? It could be to solve a problem, evaluate alternative courses of action, make a plan, or maybe make a decision. Step 2. Defining the problem. Step 3. Collecting evidence and analyzing it. Step 4. Developing solutions and evaluating them. Step 5. Identifying important assumptions. Step 6. Examining the implications of the solution. Step 7. Point of view. For example, have you examined the problem from the perspective of an employer, employee, or maybe the shareholders? Here you also examine whether you have any conditioning or biases that could have influenced the entire problem solving process. All of us make many errors in reasoning, and these are called fallacies. In the workshop, you'll learn about some common and all-pervasive fallacies. We are subject to several cognitive biases in the judgments and decisions we make. Cognitive biases are a systematic pattern of errors in judgment. We repeat these errors every time we come across the same situation. There are many cognitive biases, and some of these influence the decision-making process. You'll learn about these biases in the workshop. You'll also learn about some common rhetorical devices that are used to manipulate our views. While there are innumerable benefits to critical thinking and attending this workshop, we will talk about 6 major benefits in the workplace. Benefit 1. Make better decisions, sidestepping fallacies and avoiding various cognitive biases. Benefit 2. You can critically evaluate reasoning presented by others, for example, the reasoning in planning and strategy. Benefit 3. You will be able to take a structured approach to build logically persuasive arguments, whether it is a sales or management presentation, business plans, strategy, or marketing communication. Benefit 4. You will learn about rhetorical devices and thereby avoid becoming a victim of rhetoric. Benefit 5. Sidestep fallacies and protect yourself from cognitive biases. Benefit 6. Become a persuasive communicator in all your communications, whether they are presentations, business plans, sales proposals, or asking your boss for a raise. The fundamentals of critical thinking apply to all situations calling for making reasoned judgments and decisions and developing logically persuasive communications. In this workshop, you'll acquire the knowledge and concepts essential to become a good critical thinker.